So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. So first of all I would say, but yes guys, so this video is going to be super helpful because in this video I am going to tell you or show you there are some sentences related to when. First of all I would say, do you have pets? If you have pets, then this video is going to be, that is just superful, right? Actually right now I have come to my pets to move, right? By the way, if you have also pets, then you also have to do the same thing every day, right? So that is why I said that this video is going to be super helpful. So now actually my dad asked me to go to the river, or especially to my pets to move so that they can graze, right? So that is why right now I have come here to move my pets, right? By the way, they are cows. So the first one is the red one and the black one is the second one, right? So now actually, as I said, it's time to move, right? So first I have to pull the pack of this cows, right? This is called a bamboo pack, right? Means right now I'm going to move this cow so that they can graze more, right? So by the way, okay, so now as you can see, my first work is from here. I would like to start, right? So right now I just put the pack inside the soil with the help of my right foot, sorry, ठीक. And now move to the next one. So again, first I have to pull the pack by dragging through my hand, right? I just pulled off. So right now again I am doing the same thing, right? Yeah, I just put the pack inside the soil, and also I want to make a knot here. Okay, so now as you can see, my cow is grazing, and also two of my cows is both are grazing right now, and now it's time to back home. By the way, today I have come without slippers or my sandals, so that is why actually I am scared of this kind of plants. Okay, I'm going to show you now. As you can see, this is kind of a plant, and this plant has everywhere all around is spikes, right? As you can see, so that is why, especially in order to not cramp or not got a splinter into my feet, that is why I am struggle to walk here, right? So there are lots of, I'm not sure you are able to see or not, so that is why here I would like to jump. Okay guys, so finally just after finishing moving two of my cows, and now it's time to back home. So that is why I am going, but here I see my hand got messed, so that is why I would like to wash here. By the way, here there is water in the hump, you can say, right? Actually today night it was raining, that is why there got water, and from that water I wash my hand, right? Okay, so by the way, let me get into home, and then I will show you whatever I will come across with. And also one more thing here, I would say, whatever things or object I'm going to come across with, so with the object or thing, I'm going to explore things in English in order for me to stress this block longer, right? Here there is a crop. Do you guys know the name of this crop? No? Okay, you have 3 seconds to tell me what this is called. 1, 2, 3. If you guys guess the name of this crop, then please let us know in the comment. But otherwise, I am here to help you. So these plants are para roots, or you can say para roots or just para, right? Okay, so right now let me go home. And also there are someone in front of me, so that is why I would like to especially stop recording for a while, right? So right now I just got back home, and here in my home I see there is no one inside the house. So that is why right now I am going to the faucet to wash my hand or feet a little bit, because it got dust a little bit. This is the entrance gate, you can. Right now I just come to the faucet. This is called a faucet, and it's a handle of this faucet, and if I up down this handle of this faucet, then this faucet will give us water. So right now I just wash my face also, right? And now it's time to dry off, but I am struggle to find a towel, so that is why I dry off my face with the help of this curtain. Okay, so now as you can see, See what my sister gave me, right? It has two ripe mango, and my sister peeled the shell of these two mangoes, and now it's time to eat them. But yes, what this is called in English? This is called flattened rice, means chura. Okay guys, so let me have it. But yes, one thing, this is the first time, this is my for the first time eating flattened rice and mangoes in this year, right? Okay, so the action of doing is called I am eating or I am having meal, right? By the way, I want you to guys please let me know, have you ever had flattened rice and mangoes with combine? If you have, please let us in the comment below. Okay, so right now just after finishing breakfast, you can say, yeah, breakfast, I ate this flattened rice as a breakfast because this morning I didn't eat anything. So that is why just after moving my pets, I just come back home and then I just had meal, right? And now my dad called me to give a pitcher of water to my dad. So that is why just after finishing meal, and my next job is to take this a jug of water to my dad, and who is working far away from here, but he called and I heard that he called me to get a pitcher of water, pitcher, or you can say a jug of water, right? So it's time to take them home. But yes, I am not going to show you anything there, right? Actually I felt like shy if I speak in front of my father, right? So that is why, and also my mobile does not have enough charge, so that is why I would like to give it to the charge instead taking them right with me. So right now I just got back home, and now my next job is to get my cows, right? But first I would like to have a rest for a moment because I got tired because I was doing work with my dad, right? Okay, so just after having rest, a few moments later I will have to go to my cows to get them. Okay guys, so right now I have just come to the place where my pets are grazing. So by the way, right now I have came here without slippers, right? So that is why I am struggle to walk. Okay, so finally it's time to first untie here and then I will take them home to my cows, right? My cows are drinking water here. Okay guys, so this is sunny today. Yeah, the weather is sunny a little bit, not much, right? And also if I want I can teach you English. There are two ropes into my hand, and now as you can see I have hold and I have folded, right? Okay guys, so now I am taking two of my cows home. By the way, do you guys think I am taking my pets to home, or do you guys think I am taking my pets home? Which one is correct? Please let me know in the comment if you can guess. Okay, so first let me get them home because in time I will have to take them home, because it is necessary to take them home in time because we give milk to the milkman, right? So that is why milkman will come in his time, right? So that is why it is necessary. Oi, hey. Okay, so let me reach the home and then I will show you whatever I will come across with, right? So right now I got a call from my elder brother and he says, Nakul, get a bucket because today the packer will come and we sell our corn. So that is why I have a bucket. Now this is empty, it has nothing, and I am about to reach to my corn, right? Okay guys, so just after keeping the bucket to my corn or to my brother, and right now actually it's 12 p.m. and this time to give water to my pets, right? Actually this morning I have tied another kettles or pets, and the pets it's time to give water, so that is why right now I have come here, right? And now as you can see behind me, this is the first one here. By the way, there are three pets, and that I have to give water to the river. And actually the river is far away from here. It will take 5 or 6 minutes to take them, right? Okay, so right now I am taking all of my pets to the river to give water, and I know that it will be hard, but yes, I will try my best to take them to the river to give water, right? Guys, right now I am feeling too much warm, and right now I just come here to the faucet, actually just after doing work in the sense that I showed you earlier, right? And yes, actually today I couldn't give water to my pets, right? And is because there are lots of people drying their corn in the way, right? The way that's through I have to take my pets to the river, right? So in order for their corn not get disturbed, I deny to get them to the river to give water. But yes, today early evening time I will have to come again, because my pets are, I'm sure they are thirsty, right? So that is why in the evening time I will have to go earlier. But right now I have come here. Actually I was feeling thirsty, so that is why I just, actually there is a faucet right here, right? And I just drank water, and also I have washed my face a little bit and my hands and feet, right? In order for me to calm down, right? Okay, so just after having rest, so now it's time to go to my corn to fill all of the sacks with corn with the help of the bucket that I showed you earlier, right? So it's time to get there. Actually this is a park, right? Once at a time this place was a park, and now as you can see the park plants are here, right? And it is necessary to lock this entrance gate, right? I just locked to not get any pets inside the park, right? Okay, so let me get there. Right now there are some people filling the maize into the sacks. Let's learn some English sentences while eating lunch. Now, okay, you might have a question, Nakul. What all veggies do you eat? So first one is the radish finger. Salt and chili. And what this is called? This is called, in my mother tongue we call it pelka sak, but in your mother tongue what do you call it? Please let us know in the comment below. And I pour them into this rice, and first I will mix it, then I will have them. This is called a sack, and why I am taking this, the reason will know further vlog, right? Okay, so now as you can see, okay, so let's turn on the bike first. Yeah, and then it's time to get there to my corn. And I'm not sure will I be able to show you anything or not, because there are lots of people there. So okay, I will try my best to show you, right? So for now let me get there first. Hey guys, so right now I am sewing all the sacks of corn, right, with the help of this, what this is called. This is called a needle, and it is a huge needle, right? And it has a rope. Yeah, this is called a needle, but it's a huge, right? And it's a hole at the end of this part of this needle, right? And this is a rope. And by the way, there is no one in front of me here just next to me, so that is why I am able to speak English. But yes, there is someone just a bit ahead. There are someone who is also doing the same work, right? And actually I do not wanted to show you, so I thought, so why not to show you if I am making this vlog, right? So yeah, okay, so let me just first done this work, and then I will show you. And I am not sure, by the way, I will be able to show you anything or not further vlog. But yeah, let me work. Okay guys, so finally I have done to stitch all the sacks with the help of needles, right? The needles that I have showed you earlier, and it was used, right? And I also have, by the way, in the bucket, as you can see, with the ropes, right? So right now, do you guess where I am at? I am at the park. By the way, I am inside the park, and to get water, a bottle, right? Now this is called a faucet, and it's time. First I will drink water and then I will take them for them. Okay, so first, in order to fill up this bottle, first I have to twist off the cap, and then I will fill it with water, and then I will again turn on the cap of this bottle, right? Okay guys, so actually this is the end clip of this vlog. Yes, and it's 5 o'clock, right? It's 5 in the evening, and this time to take our pets home. So that is why we have come here. And by the way, there are some moment grace, right? So that is why right now, just after moving our pets, right now we have staying here just and scrolling reels. Now as you can see, my friend Bhot is scrolling YouTube and I am recording this vlog. And at the end, I would say guys, this place has nothing to show you, so that is why I would like to stop this recording from this place, right? And as you guys already know, I am not a fan of making any vlog unnecessarily longer, right? Yeah, so that is why I hope you guys liked it. If you did, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such kind of relevant content. So thanks for watching and bye bye.